happy that we finished this. It took us a long time to do it, but it was worth it.
I'm Zoe. And I'm Georgie. And welcome to Zisters Toy Channel. Hit subscribe. Thank you.
Hi guys! Welcome back to Zisters Toy Channel! Today, we're not going to play.
We're going to cook.
Yeah, that's right. And our dish for today is
Honey garlic chicken.
for the first time, we're gonna share you our mommy's secret recipe. There are two things that you have to do before you start cooking. Number one, you have to prepare the things that you have to wear, just like
Apron, hairnet,
and gloves. Before you do that, remember to wash your hands. When you wash your hands, you should put on soap for 20 seconds. You have to sing happy birthday twice. Happy birthday to you, happy birthday to you, happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you, happy birthday to you, happy birthday to you, happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. So now we're putting the gloves. The second thing we need to do is to prepare the ingredients. Half is chicken, of course.
and next is honey.
And also we got small lime, which here in Philippines is called calamansi. The next ingredient is
Pepper.
spicy pepper. Also, we got
Salt.
we got 1 whole pounded garlic, just like this. We're gonna be using half of this for the marinade and half of this for the sauce. And for our breadings, we're gonna be using flour. Come on, let's start now.
Okay.
Whoa, big chicken, big. Oh my gosh, don't throw it. 1 tablespoon of salt and all of this pepper. So now we're gonna put the garlic when we're gonna only use half. This is enough. Okay, the next is the calamansi. Wow. So we're gonna mix it, then marinate it for 1 hour, or you could marinate it
For overnight.
It's up to you, but we're gonna do 1 hour. Let's mix now.
Whoa.
Make sure all the ingredients are scattered, and make sure all the ingredients will stick to the chicken. And before we fry this, Ariana is gonna cut it.
So much fun. Look, it's inside up there. See the bones.
I can't believe this is what we're eating. Come on, it's like we're massaging the chicken. It's so fun. Massage.
This looks like pig.
You don't like pigs?
What?
You don't like pigs?
Yeah.
Why do you don't like them?
Disgusting.
You're really funny.
Look, looks like pig.
What if it's pig?
I don't think I want to make that anymore.
Done massaging the marinated the chicken. Now let's put this aside and we're gonna make the sauce for later. Our sauce is so easy. You just have to put honey and garlic together. Oh, it's just honey. Put it together.
It looks so jelly.
This is the final coating for our chicken. Yummy. I can't wait to eat this later. Okay, that's it. And we're just gonna wait for 1 hour and then we're gonna fry it.
So guys, now we're gonna cook our honey garlic chicken with egg and flour.
Crack the egg. I'll do it because you might make it messy.
Like what I did before with the pancake.
The yolk is broken. I cannot make a sunny side egg with this. Okay, now let's mix it first.
Well, it's easy to mix when it was like that.
Yeah, it's kind of easier.
Because it went
Okay, the
over.
next step is...
So now let's put the chicken on the egg.
Okay, just one first.
Can I just use my hand? I don't think I'm allowed to eat this because it's like...
Yeah. So we're gonna get the plastic and put the chicken inside. Okay, the next thing we have to do is egg wash all the chicken now. Come on, hold the plastic, George.
No, this looks like pig.
Here you go. Second chicken done. Next. The egg is almost gone. One last chicken and we're done.
What's your onion in there?
Look at the chicken. Okay, the really, really lot of chicken.
Did you eat one more chicken sauce?
Yeah, last one.
Last one is left. Finally, the egg is all done.
The next thing you have to do is put all the flour in the plastic that you put the chicken in. There we go. It's all in. Then we're gonna just mix it using our hands, but out from outside the plastic. That's a cooking hack that you could use. This hack is really nice because we can really coat the chicken with flour without really having to mix it with your hands in flour. And now you can mix it all together. It will be much easier.
I can see it, the chicken anymore. I can only feel it.
Yeah, it is kind of hard.
Only much better.
It's getting up. There's a hole.
It's coming up. It's sharp in.
Dust it off and put it in the plate. Wow, that is so easy. Just continue doing that step all the time. There we go. Dust it off. There's too many flour. Right, Thor?
Yeah.
Come on. It's done.
There you
Do
go.
this more, a little bit more.
Okay.
Yeah. A little bit more. Okay, so I'm gonna fry the chicken now, and don't do this at home without any adult supervision, okay? And make sure the oil is really hot before you put the chicken. Oh my gosh, it looks so nice. It's so satisfying to watch cooking. So we're done cooking the chicken, and now we're gonna coat it with the final layer, the sauce. Yummy, yummy.
This is really just fried chicken.
And it's really yummy.
Yeah.
That's how you coat it. Come on. Is it fully covered already?
I don't know.
It's chocolate. Okay, that's enough already. Put it now.
Okay.
Oh my gosh. Okay.
I love it.
There we go. Next one, George. Stop eating your fingers, you know?
Step here.
You're really so funny. Wow, this is so cool. So this is our honey garlic chicken.
I'm so excited to taste it.
We are really happy that we finished this. It took us a long time to do it, but it was worth it. Come on, let's go taste it.
Oh, good.
It's delicious.
So good.
From here. It's really yummy.
Yeah. So yummy.
I can't believe we made this.
Me too. I'm so happy.
So that's it for today.
Hope you like our cooking video.
We're gonna see each other again soon. Stay tuned for the next video.
But don't forget to
Like,
subscribe.
share, and hit the bell button. Stay safe, everybody. Bye. Hit subscribe.
Thank you. Yeah, I love it. That's my favorite. So let's put the chicken on the head. The egg.